A is for ant. Triangles, circles, squares, and more. Let's make letters and animals. Let's start with A. A is for ant. B is for bear. C is for cat. D is for duck. E is for elephant. F is for flamingo. G is for giraffe. H is for horse. I is for iguana. J is for jellyfish. K is for koala. L is for ladybug. M is for monkey. N is for newt. O is for owl. P is for pig. Q is for quail. R is for rabbit. S is for snake. T is for turtle. U is for urchin. V is for vulture. W is for whale. X is for X-ray fish. Y is for yak. Z is for zebra. Let's sing the ABC song together. Goodbye, everyone. See you next time.